Good morning, student. In today's lecture, we discuss the elementary particles. Matter in the universe is made up of molecules, hence of atom. Matter in the universe is made up of molecules and hence atom, called as atoms, right? Then after studying the structure of nucleus, one might think that perhaps the electrons, protons and neutrons are the building blocks of the matter in the universe. But detailed investigation of cosmic ray radiation and the study of the nuclear reaction in high energy particle accelerators revealed that there are many more basic particles which are part of the building block of the matter in the universe. These particles are called as the elementary particles. म्हणजे elementary particles म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला फक्त इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन आणि न्यूट्रॉन हेच ॲटम मधले पार्टिकल्स माहिती आहे. बट डिटेल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जेव्हा कॉस्मिक रे रेडिएशनने झालं तेव्हा असं लक्षात आलं की न्यूक्लियर रिॲक्शन इन हाय एनर्जी पार्टिकल एक्सेलरेट रिव्हील दॅट देअर आर मेनी मोर बेसिक पार्टिकल्स. देअर आर मेनी मोर basic particles which are part of the building block of the. असे बरेचसे पार्टिकल्स आहे. त्या इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन मध्ये लक्षात आलं की असे बरेचसे पार्टिकल्स जे आहे ते it is the part of the building block of the matter in the universe, and these particles called as the elementary particles, right? Then elementary particles, these elementary particles are divided into three groups. Okay, elementary particles जे आहे EP for elementary particles, these are divided into three groups. First one is the meson leptons, right? Second one is the mesons particle, and third one is the baryons. That means elementary particle is mainly two parts. One is the lepton and second one is the quarks. Leptons and quarks, these two. We detail study of this in after this point. Okay, first of all we draw the pre-diagram of the classification of elementary particle. That is the better understanding for you. Okay, elementary particles there are two types. First one is the leptons, okay, and second one quarks. Okay, lepton and quarks. These lepton family In lepton family there are 3 particles: electron, muon and tau, and its neutrino, mu of E, mu of mu and nu of tau. This is the lepton family. And quarks called as the hadrons पण याला म्हटलं जातं, hadrons. आता हे लॅप्टॉन्स आणि हॅड्रॉन्स जे आहे और म्हटलं जातं, राईट, लॅप्टॉन्स अँड हॅड्रॉन्स. तर इथे नेचरमध्ये फ्री लॅप्टॉन्स अवेलेबल दिसतात आपल्याला. लॅप्टॉन्स आर फ्री इन नेचर. लॅप्टॉन्स आर अवेलेबल फ्री in nature, right? Then free quarks are not available. Free quarks are not available in nature. Why? त्याचं रिझन बघू. म्हणजे नेचरमध्ये हे लॅप्टॉन्स जे आहे ते आपल्याला फ्री फॉर्ममध्ये अवेलेबल दिसतात, बट कॉर्क्स जे आहे ते आपल्याला फ्री फॉर्ममध्ये अवेलेबल दिसत नाही. त्याचं एक रिझन आहे, बिकॉज ऑफ पोटेन्शियल बिटवीन 2 कॉर्क्स. हे जे पोटेन्शियल आहे 2 कॉर्क्समध्ये जे पोटेन्शियल असतं ते किती असतं? -a/r प्लस br. हे जे पोटेन्शियल आहे, ह्या पोटेन्शियलमुळे हे कॉर्क्स जे आहे ते आपल्याला ग्रुपच्या फॉर्ममध्ये नेचरमध्ये बघायला मिळतात. ओके, म्हणजेच इथे काय होतं, हे दिस इज द पोटेन्शियल बिटवीन 2 कॉर्क्स. पोटेन्शियल बिटवीन 2 कॉर्क्स, राईट. ही पोटेन्शियल याच्यावरती कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झामला याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. दिस इज द potential V of R is equal to -a/r plus br is the potential between 2 quarks. Okay, must remember. That means here elementary particles there are divided 2 types. One is the lepton family and second one is the quark family. Quarks is also called as the hadrons. Leptons here available in a free form, available in nature, but free quarks are not available in nature. These quarks are in a group form, and these, when we separate the 2 quarks, as we try to separate any 2 quarks, the interaction between them is increases. Hence we cannot separate the 2 quarks because of this potential. ह्या पोटेन्शियल मुळे जेव्हा आपण 2 quarks असे सेपरेट करतो त्यावेळेस त्यांच्यामधली इंटरॅक्शन काय होते? इन्क्रीज होते, आणि त्याच्यामुळे आपण ते 2 कॉर्क्स जे आहे ते सेपरेट करू शकत नाही. ओके, ह्या पोटेन्शियल, बिकॉज ऑफ धिस पोटेन्शियल. देन वी स्टडी दी डिटेल स्टडी इन एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल. ओके, हियर एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल इज डिवाइडेड इंटू 2 ग्रुप्स. फर्स्ट one is the leptons, and second one is the quarks. Right? Then this lepton family, E for electron, mu bar and tau bar. Okay, and this is the symbol of neutrino. This is read for neutrino of electron, neutrino of mu and neutrino of tau. Right? This is the quark family. These quarks has again, or hadrons, यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं? hadrons असं म्हटलं जातं. आपण बघितलं नेचरमध्ये लॅप्टॉन्स हे फ्री फॉर्ममध्ये अवेलेबल आहे, बट कॉर्क्स हे नॉट अवेलेबल इन फ्री फॉर्म इन नेचर बिकॉज ऑफ its potential. When we try to separate 2 quarks, then its interaction between 2 quarks is increased, and that potential is V of R is equal to -a/r plus br. This is very important. Here potential must remember this. Because of this potential we cannot separate the two quarks. Okay, these two quarks again divided into two types. First one is the two quarks group and second one is the three quarks. Two quarks group and three quarks group, right? Then two quark group called as the mesons particle, right? Called as these mesons. Okay, and here these three quark group called as the baryons. Right? Must remember this. And again in meson family, pi plus, pi nod neutrino, this is called as neutrino, pi minus, k plus, k nod and its antiparticles k minus, k nod bar, right? And eta called as eta nod, this read as a eta nod. Then these baryons again divided into two types: half spin baryon and 3/2 spin baryon. 3/2 spin baryon. 3/2 spin baryons. Okay. Half spin baryon and 3/2 spin baryon. Right? In a half spin baryon, there are proton neutron, right? Then lambda node, sigma family, sigma plus, sigma node, sigma minus, and cascade. This is the symbol of cascade. This symbol called as cascade. Cascade node and cascade minus. Okay, these 7 particles. And in 3/2 spin baryon there are different particles. This is called as a del double plus, del plus, del nod, and del minus. Sigma star plus, sigma star node, and sigma star minus. The cascade star node, cascade star minus, and omega minus. These are the 3/2 spin baryons. Okay, must remember in here, this is the classification of the elementary particle, detailed classification. This is elementary particles. We already discussed elementary particles. Okay, its introductory information already we discussed. Then elementary particle is divided into two groups. First one is the leptons and second one is the quarks. Okay, in lepton family, these are the elements E bar, mu bar and tau bar. This is the symbol of neutrino called as neutrino E, neutrino mu, neutrino tau. This is the tau. Okay, quarks called as also hadrons. Yeah, quarksलाच hadron पण म्हटलं जातं. Then these quarks or hadrons again divided into two types: two quarks group and three quarks group. In two quarks group called as meson particles, in meson family, pi family, pions, kaons and neta. In pions family, pi plus, pi nod and pi minus, k plus, k nod and its antiparticle. This is called as the antiparticles. Okay, and eta nod. These are the meson family. And three quarks group called as the baryons. Baryons has again two types: half spin baryon and 3/2 spin baryon. In half spin baryon family, proton, neutron, lambda node, sigma plus, sigma node, sigma minus, cascade nodes, cascade minus, These are the members of the half spin baryon family. Then Dale double plus, this is called as Dale family, sigma star family, cascade star family, and omega family. Then this is the 3/2 spin baryon family, Dale double plus, Dale nod, and Dale minus. Sigma star plus, sigma star nod, and sigma star minus. Sigma cascade, this is the symbol of cascade, cascade star nod, cascade star minus, and omega minus. These are the particles present in a 3/2 spin baryon family. Okay, by heart these classification of the elementary particle. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्ही जेव्हा हा पूर्ण टेबल बाय हार्ट करशाल, पाठ करशाल, रिमेंबर ठेवशाल, तरच तुम्हाला एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल जे आहे ते एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल आणि त्याच्यावरचे जे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहे ते इझिली काय करता येतील, सॉल्व करता येतील. ओके, यानंतर आपण ह्या एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकलच्या रिलेटेड जे एक्झाममध्ये प्रॉब्लेम्स विचारले जातात त्याच्या रिलेटेड आपण 6 टर्म्स जे आहे, कन्झर्वेशन्स लॉ जे आहे, लॅप्टॉन नंबर, बॅरियॉन, कन्झर्वेशन नंबर, लॅप्टॉन नंबर मीन्स कॅपिटल ए, बॅरियॉन नंबर मीन्स कॅपिटल बी, आयसोस्पिन मीन्स कॅपिटल आय, स्ट्रेननेस, थर्ड कंपोनंट ऑफ आयसोस्पिन मीन्स I3, कॅपिटल I3, अँड स्ट्रेननेस मीन्स कॅपिटल S. ह्या ज्या टर्म्स आहे याचं डिटेल स्टडी करणार आहोत. ओके, त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला ही ज्या फॅमिलीज आहे ह्या एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकलची जी क्लासिफिकेशन आहे हे तुम्हाला मस्ट रिमेंबर ठेवावं लागणार आहे. ओके, मस्ट रिमेंबर दिस टेबल. ओके, स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.